Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best disc golf discs for intermediate players that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to improve your game or just add some new discs to your bag, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Disc Golf Pocket Guide card from Innova. While it's not a disc itself, this compact and durable cheat sheet is a fantastic accessory for players who want to fine-tune their game. Measuring 3.5 inches by 5.1 inches, it's small enough to attach to your bag or keep in your pocket, making it easily accessible during play. The guide card provides detailed flight ratings, trajectories, and wind considerations, which are essential for intermediate players looking to understand how their discs will behave in various situations. In terms of design, the card is made from sturdy plastic, ensuring that it can withstand outdoor conditions like rain and mud. The lanyard slot is a thoughtful addition, letting you secure it to your gear for quick access. Beginners and intermediate players alike will appreciate the bonus tips included, such as advice on adjusting lines and disc selection for specific scenarios. It's a practical tool for anyone looking to elevate their strategic approach to the game. The downside? It's not a disc, so it won't directly impact your throws. But as a supplemental tool, it's invaluable for learning and improving. If you're someone who likes to analyze your game and take a more calculated approach, this guide card is worth considering. While it's not a game changer by itself, it's an excellent addition to your disc golf arsenal. Coming in at number 4 is the Infinite Discs Aztec Distance Driver. This disc is specifically designed for intermediate players who are ready to add more distance to their throws. With a speed rating of 10 and a glide rating of 5, it offers excellent control and distance, making it a versatile option for players refining their technique. The iBlend plastic construction strikes a balance between affordability and performance, providing a grip that feels almost premium without breaking the bank. The Aztec's stability is what truly sets it apart. With a turn rating of -1 and a fade of 2, it's forgiving enough for less experienced players, yet still delivers the precision and reliability demanded by more seasoned throwers. The design is sleek and lightweight, with a weight range of 173 to 176 grams, making it comfortable to throw for a wide variety of users. It's a reliable choice for long, straight drives and controlled curves when needed. On the downside, this disc might feel a bit underwhelming for advanced players who are looking for something more aggressive. Additionally, while the iBlend plastic is durable, it may not hold up as long as higher-end premium plastics. Overall, the Aztec is a solid, affordable choice for intermediate players seeking a dependable distance driver that bridges the gap between beginner-friendly and advanced discs. At number 3, we have the Gusso Disc Golf Set with Bag, a comprehensive package tailored for beginners and intermediate players. This set includes 12 discs, 4 putters, 4 mid-range discs, and 4 drivers, providing everything you need to tackle different scenarios on the course. The included backpack is a standout feature, capable of holding 28+ discs and designed with a freestanding structure for added convenience during play. It's also machine washable, which is a thoughtful touch for players who want to keep their gear looking fresh. The discs themselves are made from durable DX plastic, ensuring they can withstand repeated impacts without significant wear. The bag is reinforced with thick foam padding on the shoulder straps and back, making it comfortable to carry even during long rounds. This set is perfect for players who are just getting serious about disc golf and want a complete kit to start practicing with a variety of disc types. On the downside, the discs in this set may not offer the same level of precision or flight consistency as higher-end options. Additionally, the weight of the discs varies from 150 to 180 grams, which might require some adjustment for players used to a specific weight range. However, the value here is undeniable. Getting 12 discs and a high-capacity backpack in one bundle is a fantastic deal for players building their collection. In second place is another excellent offering from Gusso, their 6-pack disc golf set. This set includes 2 fairway drivers, 2 mid-range discs, and 2 putters, giving you a balanced selection of discs for different aspects of the game. Designed with flexible plastic, these discs provide the ideal combination of durability, distance, and control, making them great for intermediate players honing their skills. One of the standout features of this set is its versatility. The discs perform well for both forehand and backhand throws and are designed to handle headwinds effectively. The included carrying bag is lightweight and portable, making it easy to bring your discs to the course or even practice in your backyard. At 150 to 180 grams, the discs are beginner-friendly, but also suitable for intermediate players looking for improved control and glide. While the set is perfect for casual play and practice, it might not meet the needs of players looking for premium performance. The plastic, while comfortable, isn't as durable as higher-end materials, which means these discs may show signs of wear faster. Still, for the price and the included bag, this set offers excellent value and is a great option for intermediate players on a budget. Finally, at number 1, we have the Innova Disc Golf Starter Set, the gold standard for players looking to elevate their game. This set includes 5 of Innova's best discs: the Aviator Putter, Rock 3 Mid-Range, Leopard Fairway Driver, T-Bird Fairway Driver, and Destroyer Distance Driver. Each disc is carefully selected for its versatility and ease of use, making this set ideal for intermediate players looking for reliable, high-quality options. The build quality of these discs is exceptional, as expected from Innova, one of the most trusted names in disc golf. The discs are made from premium plastic that offers excellent grip and durability. They perform consistently across different conditions, whether you're throwing forehand, backhand, or into a headwind. The inclusion of a special edition mini disc is a thoughtful touch, perfect for marking your shots. The only potential downside is the lack of a carrying bag, which some other sets include. However, the sheer quality and variety of discs in this set more than make up for it. With thousands of 5-star reviews and a reputation for excellence, this set is unmatched in its value for intermediate players aiming to improve their game. If you're serious about disc golf, the Innova Starter Set is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.